All right, everybody, you've all been asking for it, so here it is, the 2023 car design, number 8 BDR 410 sprint car, ready to rock and roll. Actually, we're going to race this week. Hi, I'm Billy Dietrich, sprint car mechanic and driver. I've been around racing my whole life, and it's pretty much all I know. We created this channel to share the good and the bad and everything in between. Our crew might not be the most experienced or professional, but we get it done and we have a good time doing it. We'll show you what it's really like racing weekly at some of the best tracks in central Pennsylvania. I'm also going to share some sprint car tutorials, mechanics, and parts, and whatever else I feel like. So like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. And enjoy the ride. Yeah, boy. Changed it up a little bit this year. Obviously, we had a pretty busy car last year, and we kind of like, we're going to tone it down a little bit. But I'm not really sure if we toned it down too much because it really pops out. Like the orange, the blue, of course the white in the background looks freaking awesome. Zach Barb did a great job with the design and all the colors, getting everything in there. So we're just happy to share it with everybody. Hope everybody likes it. And hey, we got some new sponsorship on the car too. So we'll just like go around the car. Hey, we got sponsors all over this bad boy. Hey, it's a Maxim car. Whoa, the wind's moving. The wind's moving. It's windy out here. But anyway, sponsors all over the car. We couldn't race without sponsors. We appreciate all the sponsors and all they do. So if you're watching this, hey, if you're local, hit up some of the sponsors. Check them out online. Go to their Facebook page. Give them a like, what have you. So obviously on the top wing, Racers New and Used Parts Warehouse. It's our shop car. It's our business here. It's what we do. Sell the sprint car parts. Me, Double D, my dad's here. Give us a call for anything you need. You know the drill. Right there is the number. Give us a call. Look here. Something new on the car. Oh, you know, you're watching this on YouTube. Billy Dietrich. Yeah, boy. YouTube channel. Got some product sponsors here. Always looks good. Get them on there. We moved down here to the Arm Guard, returning. We got Snellbecker Electric, Ben Snellbecker. Another local guy, Ben's been with us for a few seasons now. Appreciate him. RJ's Bargain Outlet. We got a redesigned logo. Heather was like, oh, let's change it up a little bit. It really pops. I like it. Really jumps out there and gets your attention. Of course, that orange is banging, right? Yeah, B&G renovations. Used to be down here on the side of the car, but we moved them up here, give them some more exposure. Yeah, Brooks Grimm, any home renovations you need, he's the man for the job. Give him a call. Returning here again, our Rack Daddies. We got our last year's wing on the car to start the year out, because sometimes the first couple races of the year can be a little, a little dicey because everybody's a little rusty. So last year's wing's still on there. Rack Days on the very top, where they were last year, but this guy here, hold on. Who's this guy? Look at this guy. So this nasty boy, Nasty Nate, Nasty N8 Racing. We got Nasty on there. Yeah. Nate's back again in full force.
He's not really full force.
Not full force currently. For those who don't know, Nate, he's a veteran. And he had some lower back problems, and then just recently had his neck operated on. So he's going to be at the races, but he's going to be a little bit on the sidelines, keeping us all in line. I'm sure he'll be pointing us in the right direction. Maybe even taking the camera for a stroll, give Heather a little content. So yeah, Nasty Nate's back. We move up to the inside panel and start with the front. We got Frank, Drop of Ink Tattoo. Frank Disbro. If you need some ink, give him a call. Shippensburg, Mechanicsburg. He's the man for the job. And then Big Hill Cider Works coming on board this year. One of our favorite spots to hang out on the weekends. Yeah, Troy and Ben up there and everybody, the whole gang, they got some great cider. Entertainment on the weekends, we go there for the entertainment. They usually have live bands, especially during the summer months. Nice outside setting. So, yeah, big old cider works. Last but not least up there, we got Ronnie O, Orwig's Fine Finishing, back again. Yeah, they do, they painted our whole house and then some. So, you got Ronnie, we got Big Hill, we got Frank, we got them all up there. We scroll on back here, we got Kendall still with us. We're still using the Kendall motor oil in the car. Been doing it for a long time. And then my buddy Josh and his dad Bill started mechanical on there, mechanical and welding. And then Mac McGee Motorsports. He's helping a lot of teams out, and he come on board this year and give us some help. So, yeah, we got Mac McGee on there, and I think that's everybody. How about it, Heather? What do you think?
I really like the car.
Yeah, take a look at the car. What's everybody think of the car? Do you like the orange? Do you like the blue? Do you like the white? I mean, like, tell us what you think. It's kind of a different orange for us than when we had before. It's like, what do you think, Heather? It's like
it's like a true orange. It's not like neon.
Yeah.
It's not like a red orange. It's like a real orange.
Yeah, and of course we went with the blue, which we really don't do much blue. We never really did, but we thought the blue and the orange really went together well. But I think we're ready. We're ready to rock and roll. We even got some nice new headers on there. Some shiny new front wheels.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, the crew's been working. We've been working on the car all winter. And hopefully we're ready to go. We showed you the car. I think it's sexy. I hope you like it. I hope you love it. Comment below with what you think. Here's the other big thing. We're racing on a Thursday in February. We're supposed to race Saturday, supposed to race Sunday, but all of a sudden now we're racing on a Thursday. So how do I feel about Thursday racing in the middle of the week on February, the first race of the year? Well, it's going to be 75 degrees, so that's going to be pretty awesome. First race of the year, everybody's excited for that. I'm excited. Pros, cons, it's a midweek show, 7:30 start time. People are going to already talking about having to take off work or not being able to get off work. It's a catch-22. You want to race, but it's in the middle of the week. I'm excited to go racing. I know it's going to be hard on my guys to get up the next day and go to work, especially my wife because she gets up at 4 a.m. to go to work. What do you guys think? Comment below. Tell us what you think about the Thursday night Icebreaker.
And short notice.
Short notice, yeah. We just found out Saturday evening that they're moving the race up 3 days or 2 days, 2 to 3 days.
And we don't, and technically we don't know if we're racing this week. They never said.
They didn't cancel they added Thursday, but they didn't cancel Saturday and Sunday because I guess technically we can still race Saturday afternoon, Sunday afternoon. So we're all kind of like, what's going on? Like, you know, I kind of had a couple of days in my mind to like finish getting ready. Now we cut a couple of days out of that. Now we got to be ready by Thursday. So we're almost ready, but it's just some little things like I got to hook my truck up to my trailer, fine tune everything in the trailer, yada, yada, yada.
I'm worried about the fan turnout.
Yeah. Me too. I can't imagine they're going to have the turnout of fans on Thursday as they would on the weekend. And plus, it's such short notice. But, hey, maybe we're wrong, Heather. Maybe people will look at the great weather at 75 degrees and just haul ass.
I hope so. My favorite icebreakers are the ones where they have to push it back because the line coming in is too long. It makes it so much fun.
Absolutely.
When the track is packed. And I really think Lincoln's trying to go that way anyway.
Yeah.
How about less races on flow?
Less races on flow. Earlier start times generally through the season. Now, we're starting at 7:30 on Thursday, which is a half an hour later than what we're going to be starting the rest of the season. I'll give Lincoln credit. You know, I was one of the biggest critics, along with a lot of the people that were unhappy with how the shows were ran, how late they were going, the number of classes, starting late, yada, yada, yada. I mean, we're getting out of there midnight. A lot of races this year, 2 divisions. They're starting a half hour early each week, so they're starting at 7 instead of 7:30. I'm all for it. I hope everybody that's out there that's watching comes to the track and supports them. I know that Flow's not going to be carrying all the races. There are going to be 11 shows this year on Flow, which is probably roughly 1/3 of the amount of races I think we ran last year, 30 couple races, or right around 30. But hey, come out and support the track. We need the fans in the stands. So I get it. That's why they're doing it. It sucks for the people that can't come to Lincoln. You know,
For health reasons.
If you're out of the area,
or they have health. I mean, I think about people that maybe physically can't come to the track, but they love watching racing.
Right. And I feel bad for that too, because we have a lot of fans, and you know who you are. You're out there, you're watching these videos, you support us, you support our channel, and you're from Nebraska, you know, or California, or even Pittsburgh. You know what I mean? You're 4 hours away. You can't drive to Lincoln on Saturday night. So, hey, tune in when you can. We'll be there. Comment below. Tell us what you think. We know it's a hot topic. It's going on.
And we'll keep you guys updated on the YouTube channel. Won't be live.
Yeah, follow us. I mean, we'll try and keep you up to date. Heather's also going to try and up our TikTok game this year, so maybe you can check out some of them too to kind of see what's going on. So let us know what you think. Comment below. Like, subscribe, tell your buddies. Keep tuning in. We're going to give it hell this year. Along with the new car design, of course, comes some new merch. So we got new hoodies, new shirts, multiple colors, an awesome design. We got hats on our website. You're going to see all that stuff next. Wing panels, mini wing panels. It's all going to be on there. You're going to see that next. Hit it up. Order your stuff online.